If you are trying to change your Facebook password and you see the error message, new password does not match, enter new password again, it simply means that the password you typed in the confirmation field is not exactly the same as the one you entered in the new password field. This is a very common issue and usually happens due to small typing mistakes, extra spaces, or differences in uppercase and lowercase letters. First, understand that Facebook requires both password fields to be 100% identical. Even a single wrong character, an extra space at the beginning or end, or a missed symbol can trigger this error. For example, if your password is MYPASS at 123 and you accidentally type MYPASS at 123 with a space at the end in the confirm field, Facebook will show this message. There are a few main reasons why this problem appears. The most common reason is typing error. When you enter the password quickly, you may press the wrong key or skip a character. Another reason is case sensitivity. Passwords are case sensitive, which means password 123 inches and password 123 inches are completely different. Sometimes, autofill or password manager tools can also create confusion by filling different values in both fields. In some cases, keyboard issues or language settings like switching between English and another language can also cause mismatched characters. To fix this problem, start by carefully retyping your password in both fields. Do not copy paste at first. Type it manually and slowly. Make sure you use the same uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It is also a good idea to tap the Show Password eye icon option if available, so you can visually confirm that both fields match exactly. Next, check for spaces. Many users accidentally add a space before or after the password. Place your cursor at the end of the text and press backspace once to remove any hidden space. Also ensure your keyboard language is correct and not switch to another layout. If the issue still continues, try clearing the fields completely and entering a simple password temporarily to test. For example, use something like test at 1234 just to see if it works. If that works, then the issue was likely in your original password typing. You can also try switching your device or browser. Sometimes, app glitches or browser autofill errors cause this issue. Open Facebook in a different browser or use another phone and try again. Clearing cache in your app or browser can also help resolve temporary bugs. Another important tip is to avoid using copy-paste from notes or messages because sometimes invisible characters or formatting get included. Always type the password directly into Facebook. If you are still facing the problem after trying everything, log out and try again later, or use the forgot password option to reset your password through email or phone verification. This method often bypasses such input errors. In summary, this error is not a serious problem. It simply means both password entries are not identical. By typing carefully, checking for spaces, ensuring correct capitalization, and avoiding autofill issues, you can fix it easily within a few seconds.